If Chrome keeps showing the not enough memory to open this page error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through several quick fixes you can try right now to get your browser working again. This is a very common issue, and it usually happens when Chrome is using too much memory, when your computer is running low on resources, or when a browser setting, extension, or cache problem is causing the page to fail. The good news is that you can fix it without any advanced technical knowledge. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is restart Google Chrome. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple restart can clear out the glitch. So go ahead and close Chrome completely. Make sure it's not just minimized, but fully closed. After that, open Chrome again and try loading the web page one more time. In many cases, this alone is enough to solve the issue because it refreshes the browser and clears minor memory problems. If that doesn't work, the next step is to restart your computer. This is one of the best fixes for memory-related errors because it clears RAM and stops background processes that may be consuming resources. To do this, click the Start menu, then click Power and choose Restart. Once your computer turns back on, open Chrome again and check the page. A fresh restart can make a huge difference, especially if your system has been running for a long time without being rebooted. Next, take a look at how many tabs you currently have open. If you have too many tabs running at once, Chrome can use a lot of memory very quickly. Each open tab consumes system resources, and that can trigger this error. Close any tabs you are not actively using. Try keeping only the important ones open, then reload the page you want to visit. This simple step can free up enough RAM to let Chrome open the page normally. Another important fix is to disable unnecessary extensions. Extensions can be very helpful, but too many of them, or even one buggy extension, can make Chrome use more memory than it should. To manage them, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, disable or remove any extensions you do not need. If you're not sure which one is causing the issue, try turning them off one by one and testing Chrome again. This can help you identify whether an extension is the source of the problem. Now let's turn on Memory Saver in Chrome. This is a built-in feature designed to reduce memory usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep. To find it, click the three dots again, open Settings, and then look in the left menu for Performance. There you'll see Memory Saver. Turn it on so Chrome can use system memory more efficiently. This is especially useful if you usually keep several tabs open at the same time. Once enabled, Chrome should manage resources better and reduce the chance of this error appearing again. If you still see the message, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with how pages load. To do this quickly, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. Select cached images and files, and also select cookies and other site data if needed. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and try the page again. Clearing the cache often helps solve strange loading issues and memory-related browser errors. By now, one of these steps should have fixed the problem. To recap, you restarted Chrome, restarted your computer, closed unused tabs, disabled unnecessary extensions, enabled Memory Saver, and cleared the Chrome cache. These are the most effective first steps when Chrome says there is not enough memory to open a page. If the problem continues even after this, you may need to check for a larger system memory issue, update Chrome, or free up more space on your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.